In iOS 18.2, Apple has reintegrated a lock screen feature that was abruptly removed from its iPhone OS 2 years ago, leaving many users questioning the reason for its disappearance. This feature allows users to manage their device's volume directly from the lock screen, addressing a common frustration for many. However, Apple has now brought back the control as an option in iOS 18.2. If you've updated your iPhone to iOS 18.2, then you'll find a toggle in Settings, going to Accessibility, clicking on Audio and Visual, labeled Always Show Volume Control. Enable the switch and you'll be able to adjust the volume from the lock screen without having to unlock your iPhone or use the physical volume buttons. On the other hand, in iOS 18.2, Apple offered you a compatible device in which you can easily find different Apple Intelligence features, including Image Playground and Genmoji.